Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Simran and I've already given the
Ready?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel StyleSavvySimran. This is my first video in this channel. So I was planning for my YouTube channel since a long time. It's really long time. I'm planning for my YouTube channel, but finally I'm here. So this channel will be all about makeup, skincare routine, and then shopping, vlogs, how to style, everything all about, trends. Oh, I almost forget, I'm also available on Instagram, so make sure to follow me over there. And please keep supporting, like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Thank you so much. Bye.